Drop them chicken wings in this bowl, then I'm gonna rinse my meat. Must rinse that meat. I don't know what's going on today with chicken wings. Damn, this chicken barely was plucked. It still got all these feathers on it. That's why you gotta wash your meat, folks. Get all these extra feathers and stuff over here. See what I mean? Look at all those feathers on that wing. Come on. All right, all the chicken wings have been washed and ready for the demonstration. Now, like I said, there's two right ways to cook chicken wings. You could either cut this off right here at the digit, or you can leave it on and fold it back like that. Nice little present. If you cook your chicken wing like this, open, and you invite me to your house, I will turn your grill over and your pit and knock all the food on the floor. Because, come on, man, it's 2024. Fold your wings back just like that, like a little old gift. And they cook evenly, they fry evenly, you know. Look at there, all of them. Just tuck it back there. Look at there, just tuck it back there. See? Oh, wow, he keeps falling. And if it won't stay, yeah, well, you won't stay, great. Right in that joint. He didn't want to stay. Even though this is good eating right here, he got to go. And now you got another lay flat wing. But folks, the main thing, all you have to do is fold your chicken wings like that. Fold them. They cook evenly, so you don't have a burnt tip in there. So this one's kind of nasty looking, so I'm gonna get that one off here. Nobody wants that nasty looking thing right there. So lay that flat. See that? Fold those wings back, cook evenly. If I come to your house and your chicken wings is flopping, we're gonna have a problem, because I told you exactly how to cook these wings evenly, on point, like a little package, like a little gift. Don't make me come to your house and turn your grill over. Tell people you can't cook because you don't want to fold your wings back. You got them sitting in the, you got this end down in the charcoal like this, and when you flip it over, you got to fish it out and you get it over. Well, you can just fold them like this. Look, folks, look at that package for a chicken wing. I tell people this every year. Look at there. Just fold your wing back. We got a lot more things to cook tonight. Steak, hamburgers, and it's for the week. I got to work this weekend, and I need to cook my food for the weekend since I'm back on keto. So, chicken wings, hamburgers, and steaks. But the main focus is these chicken wings now. I want y'all to pay attention to these wings. So now I folded them, and the ones that were ugly on the tip I have cut off. And now we're gonna hit them with a little seasoning. And you know, Fiesta is my bag. So wing tips by Fiesta. Wing tips. So I never tried this particular seasoning called wing tips. Sorry, I thought it should have been ready. So if you've never had a seasoning before, the first thing you can do is taste it to make sure it has the profile that you're looking for, the saltiness, and it's going to make a good wing or beef or whatever you're cooking. But since this is called wing tips, I'm going to get a little taste of it. As you can see, it's got all kinds of different herbs, salts. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's gonna be nice. Salty, garlicky, herby. It's gonna be nice. So folks, look. The wings are still like an envelope. You just put them back in this bowl. I'm gonna season them in the bowl, shake them around. That seasoning got, look, wingtip. I've never had this one before, but it's got a nice flavor. And folks, that's all you gotta do is taste it before. Soldier did, gotta wash him. Just taste your seasoning before you use it. That way you know. You know how's it gonna come out? What's the profile gonna be? This has a really nice flavor. I really like this. Who y'all got tonight? Kansas City or Baltimore? I hope it's a good game. I hope it's like 40-45. I don't care who wins it, because my team are the Washington Commanders. I'm going to show you what this chicken is looked at covered with this seasoning. I'm going to put it on the Traeger at about 350. Like, I don't cook the time, but today I'm going to cook the time for you guys. And when it's finished, I'm going to tell you when it's done. So there you are, folks. Famous wings from the cooler. Then I'm also going to show you a dipping sauce for the wings. Ken's Ranch, which is great. And then that Red Hot, I put that shit on everything. Frank's. We'll be back. Okay, folks, it is 3:30-ish. Got them wings. Pizza at 350. Going in. I'll let you know when it's all done. Even on the small pit of a Traeger, for space, you put that chicken dress. Make that grill look good. Your chicken should be golden brown like that. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes on here so it's all crispy. If your chicken don't look like that, folded with the wings tucked in, trash. Calling you out now, trash. Okay, folks, chicken wings are complete. As you can see, golden brown, looking good, seasoned. Crispy, beautiful. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this quick, easy sauce. Too easy, actually. That's all it takes right there. Those two items right there. That's it. Take this Ken's. Matter of fact, I already got some cans open. Excuse me, sir. Take this Ken's. Some Frank's Red Hot. I put that shit on everything. And you can verify, I just got the buffalo flavor. Buffalo flavor, I love that one. Take it like that. Like that. Drizzle it. Use a fork. A little bit more. Give it a little. Like that. Then take a small wing. I like it super crispy. Pull apart like that. Dip it. And enjoy. Chicken wing for the big game. This is Derek from Vic's world famous Chicken in the Cooler. Thank y'all for watching again. Peace. Let me know when you try it.